After having a good harvest in the spring, I decided to plant potatoes again a couple months ago to see if I could wait until it dries fully. So we do have dried potatoes here. This could either be because the plant is old or because it got really cold and the plant died. We can only harvest and see if the potatoes are big, and then we will know if this is ripe potatoes or it just died because of the cold. You can see these are dead. I'm first harvesting these.
Oops. Well, that still looks like baby. Would it need more time, or it will not grow because of the cold?
It's maybe because of the cold.
That's pretty good still.
Let's see. There'll still be some.
Still not bad.
Not very bad. They most likely didn't grow as well because I planted in the cooler months, so it was already suffering in the growing season, so it didn't have enough time to grow as well. Anyways, these won't grow anyway, so they're probably just as well fine. Yeah, I'll be harvesting both of these. This seems completely dead. This seems to have grown a bit better. We'll harvest this one first. If the plant is dead, then the potatoes won't come along with it. This one. Oh, this is not bad.
It's a good size.
Planted these around 2-3 months ago, end of September, because the garden bed was empty, just as a trial and error to try out, see how these would grow in December. I threw these in the garden bed. They're okay. Not too bad, but not too good.
One big potato.
One completely big one. But there'll be more in here. It just ripped off the plant. That's good. That's good.
Wow, it's a good size.
Yeah, this plant was a big plant. Gave good sized potatoes. I'll just check on these potatoes over here. If you saw our summer video harvest, we plucked big potatoes, but there were also some baby potatoes. Since that was hard to use, I just threw them back in the ground to see if these would give any big potatoes. Anyways, they would go to waste. Good. Oh. One, two, three.
Oh, they did good.
Yep. Wow.
Baby potatoes did good.
Good enough.
Oh, these are pretty good.
Yep.
Yes.
So these potatoes for winter, it's better if you store them without washing, because if you wash them, moisture will build up inside and it's more easier for them to spoil and get mold. So we realized in our spring harvest that freshly harvested potatoes, if you store them in just a dark place, it survived 2.5 months for us without even a little bit of sprouting or greening. Store-bought potatoes would have already been stored for a while, so they're hard to store. But if you harvest your own, you can store for a while if you put it in a cool, dark area. Most people don't have a cool area to put them, around 40 to 50 degrees. So if you just keep it in a dark cabinet with space, they shouldn't be stacked up on each other, then it should survive fine. It was December 31st day. It's a nice little free gift from my mom. We still have more plants to harvest. We've just left that so we can use these while using them. No need to store if we're already at home. Before storing the potatoes, it's best to just rub off some excess soil with a bounty or just a brush, anything. You don't need to get it all off. There's still much more soil on this. You can wash those when you're eating, but just so that you don't bring much dirt and whatever bacteria is in the dirt, just brush it off roughly. If there's any hard dirt, you don't need it, but there will be tons of excess dirt if you harvest your potatoes, so just brush it off so it's easier to store. You won't make a mess in your house. Also, if you don't have a dark, cool place, anything, a cabinet, just a dark cabinet which you don't keep opening every now and then, that will be fine. That's it. You can put it in here and store it for about 2 to 3 months. These have just been roughly just dirt rubbed off. If you're planning to immediately use them in 2-3 days, or you want to freeze the potatoes, it's okay to wash them. We just usually don't wash because moisture will go inside and it doesn't store for as long. But if you want to store for 2 to 3 months, you need to do something called curing, which is basically like drying, but you need to put it on the floor in a dark room and on a mat, and just spread them apart. So that will make sure the skins toughen up. Whatever excess water will evaporate, so it can store for longer. But if you want to just eat them as soon as possible, no need to do any of this. You can wash them and just store for the next 3-4 days. I just used this basket because it has good airflow. I used this earlier this year because I stored it for 2-3 months, so I wanted enough airflow. But for now, this basket is fine. But even though we're just using it in 3-4 days, I just used it because it's still provide enough airflow. Redo that. This is actually the mother potato, the main potato I planted on my plants this year. You can see because it's much darker, it's not a fresh potato, it's somehow still alive. So I could have replanted in the ground, but it's December, so we can't do anything with this right now. So I thought of cutting it open and seeing what it looks on the inside after being in the ground for 2 months, 2-3 months. Just a real potato, but because of the dirt, it's gotten much darker. This probably could have been planted in the ground again if I planted this in spring. Since it's December, I don't know if this will store for another 2-3 months. No point. Just for fun, I cut it open.